Good morning, Motai. Erev Shabbat Shalom. A week from today, Be'ezat Hashem, is the first day of Chanukah, which means a week from last night is the first time that we light Chanukah candles. It's a mitzvah asim midvrei sofrim to remember all of the nisim niflaot that HaKadosh Baruch Hu did for us bayamim ha'em bazeman hazeh. The nature of the mitzvah of Nerot Chanukah, first of all, the Chanukah candles have to burn for at least half an hour, which means that a person has to put at least half an hour's worth of oil or have candles that are long enough that can last half an hour in order to be yotzei the mitzvah. There are some, colored candles on the market that burn very, very quickly, and they're already done before half an hour. A person is not yotzei the chovah with such candles, so you have to make sure of that. The Gemara tells us that hadlaka osa mitzvah, that the lighting of the Chanukah candles makes the mitzvah, such that if you lit it and then they went out right away, the halacha is that as long as you put the requisite amount of oil inside, you are yotzei the chovah. As long as if you put it by a door or by a window where it's constantly blowing air and blowing wind and it puts it out, that obviously a person's not yotzei. But if everything else was well and it just went out, a person is not obligated to relight it. It's nice to relight it. It's a mitzvah min muvchar, but it's certainly not required by halacha. Now, when a person lights the Chanukah candles, we know that when you set it up from right to left. You start from the right. When you're facing the menorah, anytime you're facing the candles, that's what we're talking about, right to left. But when you light, you always light the newest candle first, which means you're lighting from the left all the way to the extreme right. Now, those candles are mehadrin, as the Gemara says. You're not required, mikar adin. All you need is one candle per night and you're yotzei. Any extra candles that we do, and the way we do it to show the amount of candles that we show correspond to the night of Chanukah, that is mitzvah mina mufchar, that is mehadrin. So that is with regards to that. Be'ezat Hashem, next week we'll speak about some more of the dinim of Chanukah and the hadlakat hanerot and timing and halil, ala nisim, all of these things Be'ezat Hashem we'll speak about next week. This evening Be'ezat Hashem, mincha, kabbalat Shabbat and Arvit is going to be at 4:10. Shacharit on Sunday morning is at 7 still. We're still not catching the net, so 7 o'clock.